children, all of you open your Maths classworks. Put today's date, write block 6, subtracting 3 digits, practice question and copy down the first bit. Solve by expanding and open your readers. Children, all of you open your readers, page number 47. Page number 47, practice questions. Look at the first bit, solve by expanding. You have written this one in your classwork, right? You should write this one in your classwork. So here the 8 bit we have 581 minus 238. So this sum we are going to do it in our classwork. So children, the first bit we have, the A1 we have 581 minus 238. So children, you have to draw the box like this. We have to do it the expanded form. So here we have to write the place values, ones, tens and hundreds. So here the number we have 581 minus 238. So now we have to do the subtraction, children. 1 minus 8, it won't be subtract. So what we have to do? We have to carry the number. We have to borrow the number from tens place. So here we have 80. So we have to borrow the 1. 10 we have to borrow here. So here it will become 70 and here it will become 11. Because from the tens place we are borrowing 1. So 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 how much? 3. So we have to write it 3 here. And here we have 70. 70 minus 30. 70 minus 30 will be 40. So you have to write it 40. Now 500 minus 200. 500 minus 200 will be 300. So we have to write it 300. So what is the answer we got it? 343. 581 minus 238, we got the answer 343. So children, of the B bit we have 342 minus 216, right? So here we have to write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. So after that we have to expand the number. 342 minus 216. So in the tens place we have to write it 10 and in the ones place 6. So now we have to make the subtraction. 2 minus 6 it will subtract? No. What we have to do? We have to borrow from the tens place. So here the number it will become 30 and here it will become 12. Right children? So 12 minus 6 will be 6 and 30 minus 10 will be 40. And 300 minus 200 will be 100. So what is the answer we got it? 146. Right children? Now look at the C bit. 367 minus 149. So children, this one you have to do it as a homework. Okay children? Children, look at the second one children. Here second bit. Deepthi has 257 stickers. She gave 138 stickers to her brother. How many stickers are left with her? So children, the second one you have to do it as a homework. And here in the first bit, C bit, you have to do it as a homework. So children, you have to do it as a story problem. So here what you have to do it is, here what they were saying, Deepthi has 257 stickers. She gave 138 stickers to her brother. So from 257 minus 138, you have to do it. What answer you will get? That many stickers are left. So you have to write the statements and you have to do it in your classroom. Now look at the third bit. Solve using column method. So the first A bit we have Ram paid rupees 150 to the shopkeeper and bought something costing rupees 132. How much money will she get back as change? So this one I'm going to show it in your classwork. So all of you open your classwork. So children, here I wrote the question. Just now I read from the reader, right? So you also should write it like this. Children, I have written with pen. You have to write it with pencil because it will not visible with pencil. I have written with pen. So here look at the statements, children. Amount paid to the shopkeeper, rupees 150. Cost of things he purchased, rupees 132. So now what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. So here what the number we have? 0 minus 2. So 0 minus 2, it won't cancel. It won't subtract. Then what we have to do? We have to borrow from the tens place. So here it will become 4 and here it will become 10. 10 minus 2 will be 8. 4 minus 3 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So here what he was saying, how much money will she get back as change? So how many rupees he get, children? Back 18 rupees. So here therefore rupees 18 he will get back. So children, in the question they have given a small mistake. She get back as change. Make it as a he. It's not she. Make it as a he. Cut it the S here. Okay children. Now I am going to show the second bit. B bit. So children, look at your readers. B bit. Harshita wants to make a necklace of 232 beads. She only has 158 beads. How many more beads does she need? So children, now I am going to show the story problem. So children, already have written the question. You have to write it like this. Now I am going to show the statements. So here number of beads 232. Number of beads she has 158. Now we have to do the subtraction. So 2 minus 8 we won't subtract. Then what we have to do? We have to borrow from tens place. Here it will be 12 and here it will be 2. So 12 minus 8 will be 4. And here 2 minus 5 it won't subtract. Then what we have to do? From 100 place we have to take 1 and here it will become 1. So 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 will be 7. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So how many she needs, children? Beads. 74 beads she needs. So therefore she needs 74 beads. So you have to write it like this. So children, just now I have showed you how to write the statements for the story problem, right? Now you have to write by your own, children. C bit and D bit you should write it by your own. C and D bit you have to do it, children. And here in the first bit, C1 you have to do it. And in the second bit, this problem you have to do it as a homework. Children, I hope you all understood till here. We'll continue with a new block. Thank you.